Today we are answering a burning question. Can a non-MBBS doctor, like an Ayush practitioner, work in an allopathic ICU in India? I am Dr. Arya, an MBBS and a patent lawyer. In just 3 minutes, I will break down the latest regulations, key legal sections, and landmark Supreme Court judgments you need to know. Here is the bottom line. Any independent clinical role in an allopathic ICU, which can be diagnosis, prescriptions, ventilator adjustments, or functioning as a resident medical officer, is strictly reserved for MBBS qualified, registered medical practitioners under the National Medical Commission Act 2019. Let us cover the legal backbone. The NMC Act 2019 defines a registered medical practitioner as only MBBS registered doctors, and Section 15 of the Indian Medical Council Act prohibits unqualified practice, which is punishable by up to 1 year jail or a fine of 1,000 rupees. The 2023 amendment, Section 56 subsection B, empowers the NMC to suspend or cancel registration for out-of-scope practice. Latest NABH standards state that Ayush orders or unsupervised clinical duties in allopathic ICUs may result in violations and also accreditation withdrawal. Latest DGHS intensivist guidelines require ICU doctors to have a postgraduate in medicine, anesthesia, or emergency medicine, plus critical care certification, and at least 2 years of ICU experience, or an MBBS, plus at least 3 years of ICU service. There are no shortcuts for non-MBBS practitioners. Prohibited activities for non-MBBS doctors include independent diagnosis and prescription of modern medicines, ventilator and inotrope adjustments, and serving as resident medical officer or intensivist. Narrow exceptions exist under supervision, which may include assisting MBBS resident medical officers with clerical tasks but no clinical decision-making. They can also assist in documentation, coding, insurance claims, and research coordination. In Dr. Mukhtiar Chand versus Punjab, it was held that Ayush prescribing allowed only if state authorized. In Poonam Verma versus Ashwin Patel, a homeopath was held negligent for practicing allopathy. Also in case of Spring Meadows Hospital versus Ahluwalia, it held hospital liable for unqualified staff. Non-compliance to these guidelines may result in NABH accreditation loss, criminal prosecution under Section 15, subsection 3 of the Indian Medical Council Act, civil negligence claims with awards ranging from 12 to 28 lakh rupees, and professional deregistration. So remember, allopathic ICU care in India must be provided by MBBS qualified registered doctors. Deviating from this invites severe legal and professional consequences. For a detailed legal analysis, refer to my LinkedIn article.